Anyone who cannot subscribe to this channel after watching this video, I will pee in your ass. जिस किसी ने इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, उसके गान में मेरा मूत. First of all, you need to create a new profile. I already created too many, but creating a new one and activate it. You can see apply to 3 applications. For this, you need to set up like this. Click on Paytm by King. Paytm by King is a mode application. It doesn't need OTP again and again. Link in, I'll provide the link in description. You can download it from there. Click on enable multiple profile. You will see there. I already enabled it. That's why it's saying disable. And now add Uber also. Click on this. Enable multiple profile for this too. And if you want to log in get Uber accounts or you want to log in hacked accounts, you can add Uber Eats also. I already added it. And one in addition, if you want to add text plus used to change the number of hacked accounts. I have not enabled it right now. Let me enable it. So now again activate this created profile. Now you can see it's applied to 4 application. Now you need to also change IMEI device similarity values. Let it and export it same as profile name is 42. For me, I export it as 42. So now I will create a new account. Login in Paytm Viking. Also create a new account in Uber. One eight four five double zero. Wow, I got this balance. अरे जिसका भी है ले लो भाई, मैं ना ले रहा. Now as I have logged in this account, I will create a new profile. 43. Activate 43. 43. When you will activate in other profile, you will be logged out of the previous one. Wait, you will understand what I am trying to say. You will surely understand what I'm doing. Just remember these two numbers. Okay, I created account, first account, I mean 40 profile 42 with this number. Now for profile 43, this is another number 559801. Okay, and 5. Create a new account. Now let me show you something. Activated profile 43 and logged in number is, I mean, just signed up with this account. But when I will activate 42 profile 42 and same import IMEI 42, then you can see I will get the previous account already logged in. See here, 625. This one 625. Profile 42 is equal to 625, and in Uber you can see it's the same 625 created for the 42 profile number. And when I will activate 43, import 43 IMEI and all, then you can see I will get this one 519. This number already logged in 519, this one in Paytm. And also when I will open Uber, you can see here 519. If you still have don't, then I suggest you to put your finger in your back and थोड़ा सा घुमाओ उसको, then put it out, then again put in and put out, and repeat this procedure.